Gilead Sciences, January 19, 2024, end of the market. So let's see on a daily chart what's happening here. Um, this is Friday, January 19th. If you see the whole week since Monday, last week the bull run started. Okay, this is the trend line. It broke the trend line on second beginning of the month. Typically, GILD is bullish in January, so it started rallying from January 2nd, the first day of trading. Since then, we are into 19 days. Out of 19 days, there are only 2 days that were down days. 17 days are up days. This is in a total bullish run. Let's see where the long-term picture here. So as you can see here, the blue line is 200-day moving average. Green line is 50-day moving average, and red line is 20-day moving average. All of these 20-day and 50-day crosses 200-day and 50-day crosses 200-day. So this is total bullish pattern. So this had a clear upside breakout. If you look at the weekly chart, let's switch to weekly 5-year time frame to see where this is heading to. So on a weekly chart, this is the trend line here broken as 2 weeks prior. We have 3 consecutive weeks ending staying above. That confirms the trend is in place. Second, let's take a look at where this is heading to. So I draw a channel of this purple up to the bottom and channel here. So this is clearly in the upward channel. Where you have the resistance, if you look at previous top back in 2020 March, there around $85 it has a resistance and came down here, so that acts as a full support level here. I was watching that 85 level, 85.8 to be precise, give or take 86. So right now, previous Friday the close was about that, and this Friday is about that. That confirms that it is holding the trend line. Okay, so if you draw from the previous high to previous high, a trend line, now this is projecting to around $91 here. Okay, so this 87.29, the first resistance is going to come around $91. That's the first resistance. If that breaks above that, what are we looking here? So if that breaks above that, this is in that pink channel. The channel top is around $102. So we have to wait and see if it's definitely going to touch 91. But if it continues to rally further, we are looking at around $100. That's it's pretty bull run as far as this is going. Let's look at a different chart angle. So let's load my favorite one, black background. Okay, so this one, let's look at where in the short term here. So as you can see, this accumulated distribution, that means more money coming into the stock, is we have pretty strong straight up starting from January. Okay, MACD is kind of softening out. I don't like MACD here, the way MACD is acting up, but this can be a prolonged one. As you can see here, this is on and off but this can prolong for a very long period of time. So this indicates to me this could be a sustained rally, um, slow grinding up. The third one is implied volatility is stay flat. Um, RSI, which is an indicator that I follow. This is RSI being on the top of the channel means it is still bullish. So I've seen patterns where the RSI continues to be in that range for a prolonged time. So that's what's happening here. So right now, all cylinders are fired up. Um, you know, money is coming into the stock and the stock is rallying. That's what I see right now. All right, thanks.